Hello everyone, this is Mike. I just wanted to bring a really quick video on the price of HEX and what to expect over the next few days. All right, what we got going on now is a 4-hour time frame RSI bullish divergence. Now remember last time in my video a couple of weeks ago, there was a 30-minute time frame RSI bullish divergence, which played out, and that's what we saw right here happen. All the way up here, played out all the way up there. So this is a 4-hour time frame. It reached its peak here, started coming down, price followed. We have a low that came down here and it bounced back up, and we see the RSI reached a certain low. Then price started to come down even more, surpassing this low, but RSI has not come down lower than this one yet. So if I open this up and show you, as you can see, it's pointing upwards. So as long as this 4-hour RSI stays like this and bounces off here on the next 4-hour candle, which is going to happen in the next 27 minutes, if that happens, then we might have a 4-hour bullish divergence that will play out, which means at some point this is going to bottom out down here with RSI staying up and price action moving down like that. At some point it reverts and we get some candles up like this, while RSI will start to move up and eventually reach the top again. So a 4-hour bullish divergence is a bigger deal than a 30-minute bullish divergence because it will help the price to reverse for a longer term rather than a shorter term. Here was only a 30-minute. Take you back to the 30-minute time frame here. We had the price going down while the RSI was forming an upward pattern like I described to you in my previous video. So it played out, but the time scale that it played out in didn't last very long because it was only a 30-minute bullish divergence. Remember how I said that eventually it needs to move into a higher time frame, like a 1 hour, then a 4 hour, then a 12 hour, then a daily. Well, now we have the 4-hour bullish divergence starting to play out. Or I should say, starting to form. So now that we know that we got this formation happening, at some point right in this area, it's going to start reversing. Let's see if we have it on a 6-hour as well. I think we might have it on a 6-hour. I'm not sure. Slightly. So slightly on a 6-hour. We also have the bullish divergence. Yeah. RSI going up, price action coming down. 6-hour time frame. That's bullish divergence on the RSI. Let's see if we got it on a 12-hour. I don't think we do. Let's check. Nah, it's flat. It's flat while price was higher here and now price is lower. You would think that RSI would be down here too to match the price, but it's not. So we are working into higher term time frames. Now, if this can go to a daily while there's bullish divergence on the RSI, then that would be very significant. But even on a 4-hour and a 6-hour, that's going to play into something. That's going to give us some sort of reversal up and get some price action moving upwards, at least for probably longer than what we had going on here. So this was May 19th through May 27th. So that looks like probably a little over a week. So we can get this 4-hour bullish divergence to play out. That could last maybe 2 weeks. We'll see what happens, but you would think that if it's a higher term time frame, then it's going to play out throughout a longer term time frame as well. So that's what I'm looking at. I mean, purchasing in these areas is what you want to be doing. You don't want to be selling in these areas, because then you're going to get caught while price action starts to move up and then you sold down here. But you don't want to panic sell at the bottom when you see it go down a lot like that, because that's usually the time when you want to start buying and when all the whales start rebuying at these lows, and then it comes back up. All right, so yeah, that's all I got for today. Just wanted to show you the bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame that could work out to be something significant. If you want to pick up some HEX in the HEX transformation lobby, head over to hexlobby.com. Then come down and click on the enter button. Enter in the amount of ETH you want to transform into HEX. Click enter, and you'll be on your way to getting your HEX at these lower prices. All right. Hope this has helped you out, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.